I'm about to die. Ito. No rock. Dog. Okay. Brush it. Yep. You look dangerous, like just yeah, up there. Yeah, that man, something wrong with him. You when I start falling and roll on head on the hill. Now shut the hell up. Shit. Ah. Yep. I'm about to die. Dog, just shut up now. No, that's dangerous. We should have just passed around. And whose idea was it to come up here? That's okay. Now why cussing all this? Yep, I have to climb that. Because I'm a boss. You're tired, boy? Yep, I'm gonna die. I screw you! What? Shit. I got a stick. A stick. No, no one likes you. No, who are they? No, let go back down now. No, I'll do like you have a place where you could just pass here. Easy and simple. Dog, shut up now. Yep. Dog, please. Shut. I see the light. Yes, that falls. Yeah, yeah. Ah, I'm falling down. Shit. I'm alive. I know you check. Yeah.
What I recognize?
Here dry fast, bro.
Me? What's fucking wrong place then?
Where's the pass?
Dan, not there we pass Dan.
Here we pass, Dan.
Dan, no, not here we pass.
Ah, now here we passing through.
There?
No.
By here, man.
Fuck, by nowhere, not here we
No,
pass.
Dan, now here we pass.
Oh, that what it is.
No, Dan. Ah.
Yeah.
Dan, there we pass.
Where?
Okay, so man who wants to
Ah.
That what it is, yeah.